What's up, guys? So usually I have Molly with me, I know, but she is going to be here later tonight. Anyways, welcome to this video. I'm staying with Molly and my mother, who's down on a trip, which is great. We are staying at the Kidani studio, just basic room. This is a non-Savannah view room, so but it is obviously a DVC room, and it's just a studio with a non-Savannah view room, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick tour of what it looks like in case any of you guys were ever interested in coming to the Animal Kingdom Lodge, because I know the Savannah view is amazing, but you can usually get a non-studio view for significantly less money, and you can walk around and go look at the animals. So the room's pretty cool. So let's just give you a quick tour real quick here, huh? All right. So this is right when you walk through the door. Right to your left, we do have a microwave, my camera case in every room. I'm just kidding. But we do have a microwave. Obviously, you get to make your coffee. There's a mini fridge. There's a sink. All of that. That's very nice. Right here we have the bathroom. There's a separate room for the toilet and all that. And then, of course, the shower, which does have some nice little soaps on the wall. What do you know? And look at that, theming animals all over the walls, which is kind of cool. Each resort here really does an amazing job with their theming. As you're walking in, we have the main bed right here. Looks like a little tapestry right there on the wall. Like I said, the theming's very cool. The lights over there, as you can see, it's almost like bracketed with like sticks. That's what they wanted to make it look like. Over here, there is a little closet. So you can absolutely, make sure you're getting all settled. Plenty of room for all your clothes and everything. To your left, obviously, we have the TV. We have a full dresser right below it, which is nice. The table over here, a couple chairs, and then this is where the fold-out couch is, which is nice. It's a very big fold-out couch, by the way, so plenty of room. And then as we're walking out, here's the patio. Let me just unlock this because I am not very good, clearly. Jeez. So here's the patio, a couple chairs. Look at that, zebra. A couple chairs out here. And yeah, here's the view. This is, like I said, this is a non-Savannah view. It's a regular view. But you know what? I don't know. I think it's pretty nice. What I like about this view, actually, is it still looks like jungly. There's trees and stuff, like a jungle. So yeah, that's just a quick tour of what Animal Kingdom Kidani room looks like. That is non-Savannah room. It's just a regular studio, non-Savannah, but it's really a nice room, to be honest. The pool's right over there. You can see, big pool. And then look at this jungle. It's still festive. It's still Animal Kingdom Lodge. It's still very much in the whole realm of Africa theming. So yeah, that's why you guys should absolutely come and stay here when you guys get a chance. If you're DVC, highly recommend it. Even if you don't have a Savannah view, come stay in one of these rooms because they're beautiful. And there's just, you can literally walk outside of the room, look out the window and see the animals, or you can go downstairs and see the animals there. Yes, is it a great experience to stay Savannah view? Of course, do that, and we'll probably do a separate video for that. But if you don't get that opportunity, then nothing wrong with staying here. Anyways, my name is Jared. If you're new to the channel, check out the rest of our channel. Usually I have my lovely girlfriend with me. I'm going to see her later tonight. And yeah, we cover Disney, Universal, the Orlando area, resorts, parks, everything in between, whatever you guys really need help with, we try to cover. We are also partnered with the Disney blogs. You can find our content over there. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you guys soon.